So this would be the dining room. Off the front room to the right. With a tray ceiling. She's got some stenciling going on up there. It's entirely open. Sorry about the noise in the background. They have an alarm that's not active, but it's making all kinds of noise and I can't get it to stop. Look, they got a cobweb there hanging. I have noticed like scuffs here and there. The trim and baseboard is painted, but it's not as clean as the house on Glen Oaks. Right here, it's kind of thin paint job maybe. It's a decent sized room.